Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Let us have a look at how to use FreeForm. Now to use FreeForm, you have to simply go to the app and then click on the Compose button at the top right corner. Now you can add many things such as a sticky note, shapes, text box, use markups to add different types of painting options, different pens available, and then you can also add to it images and videos. Now, after adding all these things, there are different multiple things that you can do with them, such as you can resize them, or you can change the color, select the different font sizes, use bold, italics, underlined on the fonts, and you can redo or undo these steps just by clicking the undo button at the top left corner. If you long press on it, it will give you the option of redo as well. Now to share this file, you have to click on the share button and then share it through messages. This is a collaborative page wherein your friends can join in and also make changes and participate to your sheet. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com. Link in the description.